Motorola One Power. When the G6 Plus was announced, I declined a review unit. I did a video where, frankly speaking, I ripped into the device. 22,500 for a Snapdragon 630. Are you kidding me? Now, when Moto reached out to me for the One Power, I wasn't high on it. It's a 636, so maybe Moto would launch it at 25, 27. I wasn't confident of what Motorola was gonna do. They told me, we'll send you the unit just for you to experience it, and we believe it's a great phone. I was still given Moto's track record, but well, the but is why we are here. You know how the Moto G6 Plus video was, I don't care and you shouldn't too? With the Motorola One Power, I'm excited. You probably should be too. Hey guys, Ash here from C4 Tech, and let's get started. Hey guys, if you do end up liking this video, please don't forget to turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon. And in case you missed it, here's a card to a monthly giveaway. Now, let's start by addressing the elephant in the room. This isn't a new phone. It's what's sold in other parts of the world as the P30 Note. But here in India, Motorola is calling it the Motorola One Power, and it comes with Android One. It's the Motorola One Power, not Moto One Power. They've been calling everything Moto. For some reason, it's Motorola for this branding alone. Just a fun fact. Now, Moto's track record with updates isn't great, so I don't have high hopes on them, but Moto is promising an update to Android Pie before the end of the year, and not really talking about much after that. When it comes to updates, Moto is one of the brands I trust the least, and by Moto I mean not Moto itself, the Moto under Lenovo. Anyway, let's see if they can change perceptions with this phone. Now, one thing that Moto has nailed here is the pricing, 16,000 rupees. But that's not even the main thing. There is competition that offers similar, if not better value for the money for the same chip. But why I got interested mainly is because Moto seems to have finally listened to us, the consumers, and given us a lot of things that we've been asking for. Right from small little stuff like the Moto logo on the fingerprint scanner to, well, let's start with the cameras. To the back, there are two, a 16 megapixel f1.8 primary paired with a 5 megapixel secondary depth sensor. There's a dual tone, dual LED flash as well. And the samples that I shot turned out great. Now remember, I shot these at noon, not the best time to shoot images. I usually do it either early in the morning or in the evening. Still, the images came out very well. The bokeh and dynamic range especially impressed me a lot. The selfie camera is a 12 megapixel shooter. Again, just look at this dynamic range. The dynamic range really impressed me with both these cameras. Moto has put in a lot of effort here, and it shows. They have even thrown in a full-fledged manual mode. That said, some Moto features like spot color are not available since this is Android One. But that's not the case always, because with software, the Moto features are present. Chop chop to turn on the flashlight, Moto display, it's all present and accounted for. The One Power is running on vanilla Android 8.1 Oreo. There's absolutely no bloat, no ads whatsoever. There's an FM radio included, and the performance seems very good. Underneath the hood, this one is powered by the Snapdragon 636 chip. There's 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of onboard storage. This is further complemented with the option of expanding via micro SD. Whether it was benchmarks or gaming, the One Power performed well. Now, the killer feature here is the fact that it sports a 5000 mAh battery with support for turbocharging, and a 18-watt charger is included in the box. Now, the high capacity battery does make the One Power a little heavy, but I feel this is one trade-off that I can live with. What do you think? Should brands go for a high capacity battery? Are you okay if they compromise on the weight a little bit? Let me know in the comments below. Now, from a build perspective, there's nothing that stands out. There's no gradient, nothing crazy like that. It's a metal build, iPhone-esque vertical camera placement. I do love the Moto logo inside the fingerprint scanner. The screen to body ratio is also quite high. That's because Moto's got the controversial notch to the front. The display itself is a 6.2-inch IPS LCD panel that's covered by Gorilla Glass. The resolution is Full HD plus the aspect ratio 19:9. The panel looks good, the viewing angles are excellent, and consuming media on this one should be a good experience. By the way, in case you're wondering, there's a headphone jack included. Now, this phone is an online exclusive, and maybe that's why Moto's gone super competitive with the pricing at 16K. or maybe Moto is finally listening to his consumers. Either way, I am excited for the Motorola One Power. Well, the brand Moto by Lenovo might be making a lot of missteps with most products. This one seems to be an exception, and I can't wait to test it out and talk more about it in my full review. I mean, if you guys do want a full review, let me know in the comments. So I guess that's it for this quick video. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on what you felt about it. Subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on any of our other content. And I guess that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4 Retech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.